In today's video, I am going to teach you how to write the text in round form in Miro. Miro does not always provide a simple built-in option for curved or circular text, so a reliable method is to create the round text in a design tool and then bring it into Miro as an image. Start by opening your Miro board. You can use a blank board or any existing board where you want the round text to appear. It helps to zoom into the area where you plan to place the final graphic, so you have a clear workspace ready. Next, move over to your design tool and click on Text Studio Maker. This is where you will generate the rounded text effect. Once you are inside the text maker, click into the text field and type the word highlight. Take a moment to confirm your spelling, because the text will be exported exactly as you enter it. After typing, click on Highlight in the results to apply the style. You will click on Highlight again to confirm the selection and make sure the rounded text option is active. Then type in Highlight one more time as shown, so the final design reflects the correct text content. When you see the version you want, click on Highlight again to lock in that choice and ensure it is the active element you are editing. Now click on Add to Design. This places the rounded text onto your design canvas so it can be exported. Make sure it is fully visible on the canvas and not cropped at the edges. If it looks too close to the border, give it a little space so the full round shape exports cleanly. When you are ready to save it, click on Share. In the File Type options, click the highlighted selection area, then choose PDF Standard and switch it to PNG. PNG is a good choice because it keeps the text crisp and is easy to insert into other tools. Finally, click Download to save the rounded text image to your device. Once it is downloaded, you can upload that PNG into Miro and position it wherever you need on your board. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.